My name is Shwaragiriya
And my name is Akhil Chauhan.
and we are students of class 12 Science Kendriya Vidyalaya. So in today's world, you may have came across the word like sustainable development or sustainability. So what does this word refer to?
Sustainable development, a development in which need of future kept in our mind and resources used carefully.
So these resources are in a great demand today. So let's start with the introduction. In today's world, energy demand is increasing day by day and renewable energy resources are becoming essential.
Food power generation is a sustainable method to generate electricity from human footsteps using piezoelectric sensors.
Every step a person takes generates a small amount of electrical energy which is then converted into current and is used for some basic needs like lighting or charging a phone.
Objective of the project:
To convert mechanical energy from human footstep into electrical energy.
to design a compact and cost-effective system using simple electronic components.
To promote renewable energy usage in the public places with high foot traffic. Like
Examples: railway stations, malls, schools, etc. Now, principle of food power generation.
the project work on the piezoelectrical effect where certain material like piezoelectrical plates generate electrical voltage from mechanical steps which is applied to them.
When a person steps on the floor embedded with these plates, pressure is applied which converts mechanical energy into electrical energy.
This is then stored and regulated through Arduino based circuitry.
Components used. Majorly, these components are used.
First one is Arduino, second one is piezoelectrical plates and third is breadboard. So first let's talk about Arduino.
While used acts as the main controller for the system, usage collects voltage data from piezoelectric plates, processes and regulates output voltage, can display generated power on a LCD or send data to a monitoring system. Reason: Arduino is easy to program and interface with sensors and storage circuits.
Now let's move on to why used. Core component for generating electricity from mechanical stress. Its usage: each plate generates a small voltage when pressed. Multiple plates are connected in parallel or series, increases the total output. Reason: efficient, low cost and durable for mechanical pressure applications.
With another component, breadboard. Why used? To connect all the components temporarily during the prototype stage.
Usage: helps in the testing circuit connections without soldering.
Or allows modification and troubleshooting easily.
Reasons: ideal for prototype building before final implementation on PCB. Working of the prototype.
This is the working of this prototype. Piezoelectric plates are embedded under a walking surface or a mat.
When a person walks, the applied pressure on the plates generates an AC voltage. Like you can see here, this is the plate and when a person's footsteps are on it, then these piezo plates convert the mechanical energy which is gained from the footsteps of a person into electrical energy and further on this voltage is sent to a rectifier circuit to convert it into DC.
Which is connected with this breadboard and displays, which including these batteries which stores the current produced by this mechanical energy. And this system is called as Arduino Nano.
The DC voltage is then fed into the rechargeable battery or capacitor for storage. Arduino monitors the voltage output and can be used to control where and how the power is used, like powering LED or sensor, and on the bigger scale it can be even used as a high screen which can provide energy to the skyscrapers.
Applications in India.
So you must have been to the places which are overcrowded and you barely have a step to put on. Just think at how much electricity can be generated in bulk if here footstep electricity generation is implemented. Look here how much overcrowded is this bus stop. Look here how much overcrowded is this railway station, and think of the electricity that can be produced by generation from their footsteps. It can even light up thousands of television and charge up thousands of mobile phones. It can be implemented in railway platforms, bus stops and metro stations as they have high footfall areas.
With some of examples, shopping malls, airports and stadium entrances, school and college corridors, rural areas for small-scale electricity generation.
In rural areas, this project can be used to even light up the street lights. Now let's move on.
Profit and implementation scope.
Why only this project? Because this is cost effective, low setup and maintenance cost once implemented.
Renewable energy source reduces dependency on grid electricity.
Commercial use, power generated can light public areas or charge advertising displays.
Government benefit can be included in smart city and green energy initiatives.
Profit generation, energy saving as reduced electricity bills, green branding as attracts eco-friendly sponsorship, and surplus power can be used for charging, lighting, reducing external energy expenses. Now let's move on.
Now conclusion.
Foot power generation using piezoelectrical plates and Arduino is a promising renewable energy technology.
It converts daily human motion into usable electrical energy.
Implementing such system in India can provide dual benefits.
Sustainable power and long-term cost savings, especially in public infrastructures.
At last, I would like to thank you for hearing us for a long time. Thank you.
Thank you.